Hello everybody! It's day 1 of my 30-day vlog challenge, so I'm very pumped that you are here.
This is the morning. Okay.
I was trying to clear up the shot a little bit.
Aw, thank you.
It didn't work.
Nick, how do you feel about 30 days of vlogging?
I'm excited.
We're excited.
So I have done some vlogging in the past, but mainly it was my flight attendant lifestyle, and I decided recently to move away from the flight attendant thing. I will have a couple of like tips and tricks, how to pack, how to get out of the hotel as fast as possible when you're running late. I just wanted it to be more of a variety. I wanted to show you guys more about my life, because I do have a really weird life because of my job, and it's really cool and it's really fun, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So yeah, so I'm gonna be doing a daily vlog for the next 30 days. Today is October 30th, the day before Halloween. Tomorrow I'm gonna do a get ready video with me, and then for Thursday I'll show you what I did on Halloween. It'll be like a recap, more or less. But yeah, so today is a really exciting day. I'm really excited to start this vlogging challenge. 30 days is a long time, so hopefully it goes well. Also, I realized that I never did an introduction video with you guys. I just kind of like threw my videos up on YouTube, and like I have all my traveling ones and my flight attendant ones and this and that. So today I'm gonna tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Kylie. I've been writing for so many years. I do a little bit of ghostwriting for a couple hotel properties. I do my own writing. I love to cook. I love to travel. I love to do all this stuff that pretty much everyone likes to do. I've just been doing it for a really long time. I have always lightly talked about traveling and different cuisines and stuff like that, just in my like daily life. And this is like, I'm on my like 6th blog, you know, I'm not always the most consistent with the writing. This is like something I've been doing for almost 10 years. So I do have a lot of knowledge in what's going on, but I'm not really an expert in anything. That's the thing. I like a lot of little things. I'm pretty good at everything, but I'm not an expert really at anything. So that's my disclaimer. But I can teach you some stuff, and I might be a little entertaining to watch. I don't know. Maybe I won't be. Maybe it'll be like, this girl's hella annoying. And I'll be like, oh, well, sorry. I'm on the internet. And I really want to know what you guys want to see. So I actually put this out on my Instagram story about like 3 or 4 weeks ago, asking if you guys would be interested in watching a 30-day vlog series by me. So I actually got a way better response than I thought I would, and so that's what I'm gonna do. But I just would like to know what you guys want to see. Is there anything, like, after being friends with me on Instagram or any of that stuff, is there anything in particular that you want to know about flying, about being a nomad, about cooking, about makeup, anything like that? Or if you want me to try stuff that you're afraid to try, like, I'm down. Like, just let me know. So that's kind of what this channel is going to be about. Yeah. So it's really great to meet everybody. It's really great to meet everybody. I'm so glad you guys are here on my channel. Yay, YouTube. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure that you do subscribe, because it's gonna be going for 30 days. I'm also gonna be putting these videos up on my website, so if you are already subscribed to my website, that's great. You can always just catch them there. Yeah, so that's it for now. I guess signing out. Thank you for stopping by, and like I said, let me know if there's anything that you want to hear. Thanks.
My boyfriend's running late.
Because I get dropped off.
Oh my god.
It's too early for this.
1, 2, 3.